In this video, I'm going to show you how to change out the cabin filter. Majority of the cars, the cabin filter is located in behind the glove compartment. In order to do that, you go ahead and open the glove compartment. You will see that there are tabs that prevent the the glove compartment from falling down, and some of them even have arms that hold it in place. So every model, every car is slightly different. So some of them have cables that you kind of unscrew, and that allows the glove compartment to fall through. But in this case, what I'm going to do is the blocks are actually fixed to the thing. We're just going to squeeze it and come down. And as you can see, that's all it is. So this has fallen down. This is kind of bizarre. Actually, I don't know why this is this way. I wonder if something has gotten in here before or not. Oh, this is interesting. Mazda 6 has a pretty interesting system here. This one comes off, and looking here, this is the air filter that we're going to be removing. So pretty much grab this, pull this out, and here is the air filter. So as you can see, it's plugged, and I have all this white foam, which may be stuff from here. I don't understand how this stuff got in here. Let's look inside, and oh my, you can see that there's a lot of stuff inside that has been pulled in. I don't understand why that has happened, so we're gonna have to figure this out. I also noticed that the gasket there is ripped or broken. I wonder if something at one point got in the car. So anyways, now I'm gonna have to get like a vacuum so I can suck that out, so that this thing does not blow into the air vents. As you can see, this filter is extremely filthy. So we're a little behind in cleaning it. And the other side, you can see, is what it should look like. It's got a hint of black, so pretty much means that this has been gone for a long time. Always, 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 in order to have the car performing correctly, you need to make sure the air filter is checked every 6 months. And also your cabin filter should be checked, because all of this stuff needs proper breathing. Okay, so for the replacement air filter, I have gone with a charcoal style filter. This is a felt paper style as well. So I did clean out the inside of the container, so you can see that there's no more of the insulation that was taken out from here. So we're just gonna go ahead and slide this in place. So everything is good. That's basically it. We will now I will now go back and install this glove compartment back in, and once that's done, we're pretty much done with the changing of the cabin filter. Again, if this is something that you should look into your service manual, check it every 6 months. It's a 2-second job. If you drive in dusty conditions, you'll most likely go through filters a lot sooner than people who do not drive in dusty conditions. So anyways, it's very easy to check. Just put it as a calendar reminder, set it up for every 6 months, check them up, keep them clean. This way your interior stays clean, and the car also breathes better. As for the air filter for the engine, I'll talk to you soon in another video, but if you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to ask down below, and I'll do my best to answer them.